so here's the close-up, and I apologize that I did not set my camera up correctly. I use an iPad, so it's easy to have the camera pointing in the wrong direction. I wish I would have checked it, but I'm posting anyway because I had success. I listened to Tammy Anderson, and I followed her instructions on how to use the blow dryer to have a little more control. And also she said to go slow, have it on low, and I thinned my paints out. So I'm very happy that I was able to get some decent results. I'm really looking forward to trying again. And for those of you that stayed with me this whole time, thank you so much. Very sweet of you, because oh gosh, it just made me so upset that I filmed it like that, and my hair's in the way and my back's in the way. Anyway, that's the wet product, and I will follow up with pictures of, or I'll go in and I'll video record right now the dry product. And please give me a thumbs up, hit the like button if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks, guys. Love you.